Hi friends, your learning target for today, I can add, subtract, multiply, and divide amounts of money. Okay friends, so we are going to do this using word problems. So I'm showing you the view from my iPad so that I don't have to write out all the word problems on the whiteboard. So let's start with this one, and each of these will be a different property. So either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. The only way really to figure out which is just to read the problems and then figure out what information they're wanting from you, and then using the information that they gave you, figure out what property to use. So starting with the one I just put a star by, you buy 2 stickers. That's important. Each sticker costs 49 cents. How much money do you spend in all? So this is going to be a multiplication problem because we have a individual cost, but we bought more than one. So to do multiplication with money, put your money value at the top, so 49 cents, and times it by the number that you're buying, so times 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry your 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 1 that we just carried is 9. And then 2 times 0 is 0. So to figure out where your decimal goes, it's over by 2 place values. So now we will start at the end and go over 2 place values to put the decimal. And then don't forget your dollar sign. Now let's go over to this side. Newton has $2.50. He spent $1.07 on a Frisbee. How much money does Newton have left? So we're starting with the value and we're taking some away from it, so that is subtraction. So the bigger value goes first because that's what he started with. Minus $1.07. Make sure you line up your decimals. And now we can start with the computation. So 0 minus 7 we can't do, we need to borrow. So that will turn into a 4, and the 0 will turn into a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. Go ahead and bring your decimal point down. 2 minus 1 is 1. So he has $1.43 left to spend. Now come down to the second row. A tube of toothpaste costs $2.71. And a toothbrush costs $1.62. How much will it cost to buy both? So we're adding these numbers together to see how much we need in order to get both of the items. So $2.71 plus $1.62. Make sure you line up your decimal point. And now we can start adding. Remember, when we do adding or subtracting, we always start with the smallest place value. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry your 1. And 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. Bring your decimal down and your dollar sign. So we would need $4.33 to buy both of the items. And finally, 2 treats cost a total of $7.20. Each treat costs the same amount. How much does each treat cost? So we're dividing. We're starting with the total, and we're seeing how much it costs to buy 2 of them. So the $7.20 will go inside, and then the 2 will go on the outside. So 7 divided by 2, 2 can go into 7 3 times, and that would equal a 6. Go ahead and subtract that. We're left with 1. Bring your decimal to the top, and then bring down the 20. 2 cannot go into 1, so let's go to the next place value. 2 can go into 12, and it will go in 6 times. And then that equals 12, so that's what we would subtract, and then we're left with 0. We need to have another place value there, so put a 0 as a holder, and then your dollar sign. And that's it. So the only way to figure out which property you'll use and property is addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. To do that, you have to read the word problem itself and pull the information out that you need. So that's what I highlighted. And then figure out what information you don't have, and that's what they're asking for.